Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can add image hover effect on GoHighLevel. Okay, so before getting started, let me show you the example. Okay, in this page we have 4 different type of hover effect on GoHighLevel images. Okay, so let me show one by one. So first one is grayscale hover effect. So this is our first code snippet for this hover effect. Okay, so when you hover over the image, this effect will make your image black and white, right? This, okay, and also it show you the content like your headline, subheadline, or some other content, and a call to action button. Okay, you can remove this when you apply this code snippet. Otherwise, if you need to use content, then you can keep it. Okay, so this is our first code snippet, and the second one is blend filter hover effect. So when we hover over the image, it show a blended effect or like this. Okay, you can change the color if you like. So we used blue color, but if you want to use different color, then you can use your color. Okay, and then the third one is discover hover effect. Okay, so discover border hover effect. So when you hover over the image, it will show a border, a white border, and a effect with the text, content, and button. Okay, so like this. And then the last one is grayscale to color hover effect. So by default your image will look like a black and white image, but when you hover, then it turns into its original colors. Okay, you can see here. So we have 4 different type of hover effect on image now, but we are working to add more and more hover effect. Okay, so let me show you how you will apply this code snippet. Okay, so one more thing, though we have 4 different hover effect, but the code implementation for any of them are pretty much same. Okay, so I will show you the grayscale hover effect, how you will apply this effect. But if you know how to effect this, how to apply this one, then you will able to apply all of them. Okay, so let me show you step by step process. Okay, so here this is just a blank page. I just added the grayscale hover effect as headline content, and now I'm going to add my images first. Okay, so second image, and I am showing you 3 column row, but if you have more than 3 column, okay, to show the image, then you can also add like this. Okay, just copy one of them, or you can get the 4 column layout from here, 5 column, 6 column, whatever you like. Okay, so in this example I will show you 3 column. Okay, so I will delete one, and then I will put my images here at first. Okay, so let me go to the image. This is the first image, and then let me add the second image. I have already uploaded the images, so here is the second one, and then here is the third one. Yeah, this is the third one. Okay, so all images added, and now I'm going to add a code snippet option here. Okay, so I will put this code here. Okay, HTML JavaScript element for all of them, and then I will copy the code from our code snippet library. Okay, so you know, GHL code snippet library has a lot of different type of code snippet. So if you want to get this code snippet, you need to upgrade your account. Okay, this is our premium content, so you need to upgrade your account to get the code snippet. Okay, so here is the code snippet for this is the HTML code, just the HTML. Okay, so here you need to replace your image URL. Okay, and then you can change the content. Okay, here's the default content comes with the script. Okay, so you will replace your subheadline or headline here, then the paragraph text, okay, here, and the button text. Okay, as it's just dummy, so we have the button text. You can say like get started now. Okay, like this, or you can say something like learn more. Okay, you can say like this, and you will replace your link here. Okay, so this way you just need to change the content. I'm going to show you how to get the image URL. Okay, so we already uploaded all 4 images. So once we click the image, then it will show this image link here. Okay, we just need to copy this image link and then open the code. Okay, open the code and then open the code and replace this URL. Okay, the image URL. Okay, this way we will replace all 3 images, and then once we done, we just need to delete the images because we already added images into our code. Okay, so I just showed the first one, but the second and third one is also same. Okay, I already have the images added. Okay, like this is our second code snippet. You can see here, this is the image URL. You need to replace, okay, with your image. This is the image URL, the content. And one more thing I want to tell you, if you don't like to use the content, then all you just need to delete this part. Okay, this part. Otherwise you can also if let's say you have to add a headline and subheadline, okay, or a headline and some content, then you don't need a button, then you just need to delete this part from the code snippet. Okay, but I am going to keep this, okay, the second code snippet, and I will also get my third code snippet. Okay, here is it, third code snippet here. So I added 3 code snippet for 3 columns. Okay, and also you will get a CSS code snippet, okay, that you need to add under this column. Okay, like you just need to add this HTML JavaScript code option and just paste your CSS here. Okay, I already added the CSS, so I'm not going to put it here, but I'm going to save the page, okay, and publish, and then I'll preview it. If everything goes well, then I should have a properly working grayscale hover effect image. Okay, so let me preview this. Okay, so you can see here my images are already added and I have the hover effect. Okay, so this way you can apply any of our hover effect code snippet. Okay, so this is the same implementation strategy for all of them. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, and if you are our premium member, you will get this code snippet right inside your GHL code snippet library. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.